some curly K and some nice lovely mixed leaf. We're gonna make a detoxing salad. Alright, I got this one. One doesn't good. We're gonna put some fresh mint. You know what I mean? Once you just take off the dry bit them like that with the mint. Nice and lovely. Detoxing salad. All these bits, honestly, sometimes you bite them up and you don't even recognize that you bite now this bit, and you can just eat them. This is some flat parcel. But all I'm gonna do is just simple. Ring it up like this with your hand and lovely, and let's give it a lovely shape like this. We're gonna drop a medium-sized tomato in it just like this, and then some cucumber. Squeeze half a lime juice inside of it. Some pepper. No oil. Little bit of dry chili. And just use a hand and shift it up like this. If you're a person who loves salad, you will love this. All you need to do, simple, put into a bowl like this. That's a beautiful salad, detoxing salad, 100%. You guys will love this. Alright? Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. We got a lot more recipe like this coming for you guys, and definitely we will give you some lovely top recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.